So Vuala is a company that is making food waste recycling easy. What we do is we automatically separate food waste from other waste and turn it into raw material for energy production. My father is a scientist. He has been doing food waste research for more than a decade. And I thought, oh, why just do it research? Why don't we take it commercially or to take it to build a product that actually helps to solve the world's problem? Turn food waste into liquid, how do we separate them, and to build a prototype. So we turn food waste into something called liquid gold. Basically, we digest food waste using microorganisms. What these does is eventually is being sent to different kind of places, for example, to produce biogas in anaerobic digestion plants, extract the nutrients to produce animal feed for pigs and fish. We even send to people who can actually produce hydrogen. The source system in SOLIDWORKS actually help us to build an easy and cheap way to build a prototype. So for instance, this one. So this is the baby version, the small version of the Vuala X1. Basically, we built this before we built anything else physically. It saves a lot of cost and will help us to achieve rapid prototyping. Basically, this is like at least after 30 iterations, it becomes something like this. So what we did is we draw up, we design the whole system within the SOLIDWORKS software. What we do is we then send this into different kind of components, break it down, and we send to 3D printers to basically produce this thing. So as you can see, this one is actually quite, it's interactive. It has a lot of components inside it, and it helps us to basically validate what we're thinking within our design process and to constantly improve the user experience of our customer, which SOLIDWORKS really help us.
Vuala X1 is a very compact and smart food waste recycling technology. So you have this right here, the mini model, and basically you tip your food waste in here and the machine will have some microorganism in there, and then you press the button like a washing machine, and quite quickly those food waste will be turned into liquid. From one report, there's about 920,000 tons per year of food waste being produced by hospitality. So we do separate food waste, but we wanted to find a more efficient, easy to handle solution and hopefully cheaper solution to handle the food waste. So we are actually quite excited in the last week or so to test this machine. Seems to be working pretty well.
As part of the starter program, by the source system, we're given 1 year access, full access of the SOLIDWORKS software. And then we get support, one-to-one support from the source system as well. And then it's basically extremely helpful. So whenever we get a problem, we just go to them. They're very quick in their response and they give support like very quickly. But by using SOLIDWORKS, we calculate the dimension exactly the same, and then we build a real-life prototype. It actually saved us, I would say, really at least half a year. One of the best things of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is the fact that it's online. Everything is on the cloud. It's very convenient, especially for our product. We're a physical product that is being installed in different places. So for instance, we're now in 10 sites. What we do is we have to go to different places, for example, in London, in Cambridge, in Peterborough as well. So it's very convenient that everything is web-based. I just have my iPad on the go, and then I can access to my design, improve it on the go as well. Because different customer has different kind of needs. It's like a car. We need configurations. So by understanding, talking to them in real life about what they need, and instantly design that or alter the design on the go, and show them what exactly they might be getting for the configuration to make it tailor-made, has been really useful and very important.